Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now you have to listen to me carefully. I'm just going to check the worksheet, what I sent to you. Many children showed me, but no need to show now. One by one, I will ask you one question to one child. So you'll have to answer no. When your chance comes, only you must answer. Okay? In between, I wrote, ma'am, all that don't tell because according to the names written, I'm calling out. Okay? So there won't be any problem now. Now let's see. Now hope all are ready because I don't want any disturbance. EBS class, I had lot of disturbance, so I was not able to complete
Ma'am,
it.
can you speak, ma'am?
No, no, you cannot. Why? Why? Who's this now? See, one of you speak means all will speak. You can speak after the class. Now, what about what you want to speak after class? Okay, I'll listen to everybody for 10 minutes. You don't leave the class. I will talk to you all. Any doubt you can ask anything. Now, in between, don't talk, children. Okay, good children. Now we are going to solve. We are just going to answer. Now, don't worry about anything. Now, you have written in your classwork, not all this. Fill in the blanks. I will call
Ma'am, you
Akshay.
want to write?
See, already I sent this to you. You were supposed to write in your classwork note, and some children they showed me that. Now, 1 minute. Fill in the blanks. Children, now I just want Akshara. Akshara, are you there, Akshara? No.
Yes,
Akshara.
ma'am.
Did you write this in your classwork note, Akshara?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. I just wanted to confirm whether you have done it because somebody asked me whether to write. I told you, I'll tell you slowly. You take, please, parents, don't talk in between. That's why children are confused. You just listen. Take this work in your classwork note. Take this work. Those who did not write, you can write after the class. You don't disturb the class now. You just watch. Those who did not write, just watch. Don't talk in between. If the children did not write, uh, don't scold them. Don't scold them. 1 minute. Don't scold, please, parents, if they haven't written, don't scold them because they can write afterwards because one or two asked me whether to write. Now, I want Akshara. Akshara. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara. Please read the first one, Akshara. The, read. The
The,
smallest
the smallest
three-digit number.
three-digit number,
Tell me the answer for it.
100, ma'am.
You must say, answer is correct, but you must say 100. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's all over. Her chances over. The smallest three-digit number is 100. You can put a small tick next to that, okay? I cannot put it because when it comes to you, all will be done. Now, number two, Effie, Effie. I know Effie's there. Come on. Effie, only Effie. Effie, yes. Now, are you ready to read the second one, Effie? Why no answer from Effie? Excuse me. Effie? Okay. I'll come back to you later. Fatima? Fatima Mariam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Try to read the second one with me. The, read,
The
greatest
greatest
three-digit number
three-digit number
Yes. Tell
Yes.
me the answer. The greatest three-digit number.
999.
900.
99.
Very good, Effie. I mean, sorry, Fatima. Fatima. Okay, 990. You don't get scared, Fatima. Okay, ma'am will help you. Now you're too small and you all are reading this. Very good. The greater three-digit number. All you won't be able to read. Now now next person is Joshika Mary. Now in between, see children, if you talk in between, it will be very hard for me, children. Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Joshika Mary, are you there? Yes. Now
Yes,
try to
ma'am.
read. Try to read with me. The
The
place
place
value
value of
of three
3 is
uh, 305
305 in
is
is
pla-
300.
very good. My God, even ma'am never knew this answer. Suddenly, ma'am made a mistake. I thought it's 100. Place I just wrote here. Very good, very good. Just put a small tick. See, without my help, she read it. I'm very, very happy. Now, Kanira. Kanira. Yes, Kanira. What happened to Effie and Kanira? Kanira? No. Yes, Kanira. Try to read the fourth one from the screen.
Fourth one. The short from
Form. No, form. Short form
short form of
of
666 is
yes. Yes, 600 plus 60 plus 6 is. Tell me the answer. Tell. You tell me the answer. Yes. 600. Tell.
661.
Say. No, see, last one is 6. Tell me the answer. What did you write?
Mom, you should
See,
write,
see, 666.
666.
No, don't worry, don't worry. See, I won't answer to anybody who's asking, ma'am, should I write? I'm not going to answer to anyone, I'm telling you. And because I'm doing the class with the children now. Now, these 4 is over. Now we'll go to the next. Already you have this. I'm going to call the name. Digits are given 654. 654. Those who did not write, don't worry. After the class, you can take time and write. Now, I want Kayalina. Kayalina? Yes? Are you there, Kayalina?
Yes,
Only Kayalina, no mother. Only Kayalina must tell yes,
Ma'am, I did
mother.
not got the worksheet.
Who's this? Everybody got. I sent it and all the children got it. Okay, now just don't talk to me now. I will see to that. Everybody got and they finished writing now. 654. 654. These are, 1 minute, 1 minute. These are the digits given. I want Kayalina.
456, ma'am.
Now 1 minute, ma. Greatest number. See, parents. No, I'm not going to ask Kylina. I'm going to cancel this question. I don't want any parent.
654, ma'am.
1 minute. It's not 654. 654 is the digit given. Just read, Kylina. 654. You just look there. See, I'm going to stop asking questions because I don't want. 6 because parents are answering instead of children. 654. See how they said 654. 654. Who's this? Is it Archant? One minute, children. All of them finished writing. 1 or 2 did not write what I said. So please don't worry about it. In between, don't ask because you won't be able to write when I take class and when I correct the answers now. You can go back after class and see the recording and do it, because it was already there. Questions I gave you, and the children finished writing. And one or two telling I didn't write. Never mind, you can write later, but don't ask in between. And when you join, I told you first, when you join in between, please be careful. Don't be asking questions throughout. You have to listen. Now, smallest number is just, see, it is 654. Please, Kailina, read it as 654. Don't write 654. So the smallest number is
Yes, ma'am.
456. Yes, you are getting mark. But in between, anyone else answer? 0. Now, next is,
801.
now who's that? Who's that? I didn't call any name. Tell me who's that child? I don't want parents.
Smallest
Please.
number
So I'm not going to ask you any questions. I'm so sorry. All the children are waiting to see. Now this is for Mishti. Mishti. No, some children are disturbing me a lot. I'll have to inform in the office because I need something to be done. Every day they are disturbing me. Now I want Mishti. Mishti, please turn on your mic. Yes, Mishti. See the digits 801. Mishti, are you there? Mishti? Yes, your chance is over. Afterwards, I'll call you. Mitra, yes. Mitra, yes. Mitra, yes. Mitra, turn on your phone. Yes. Yes. Mitra, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just, Mitra, just see the numbers 801. Tell me the greatest number first.
8.
Tell me the number fully. How it's made
0.
up that? No. Greatest number.
8.
Children, 3 digits are given.
810.
Sorry, it's not 810. 810. Here. Sorry. It is. See the answer, children. 1 minute. 1 minute. Sugandhi. 1 minute, children. It is. Never mind. Okay. Never mind. It is 810. Okay. Don't worry. I'll just change it. 1 minute. 810 is 10. 810. 1 minute. 1 minute. 810. Okay. Mitra, did you get the answer now? No, I'm not answering. Mitra, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. 810, don't say 810. Now, the smallest number you finish.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Messi. Can you call me?
Effie, 1 minute. I'll call you back, Effie, for the next one. Okay, Effie, don't worry. Now see the change. 810. Don't say 810. Now listen. 1 minute. 1 minute. You have to read or listen. The first 3 digits are given. Okay, first 3 digits. It is 6, 5. No. No need to answer. I'm just telling you. 654, you can tell digits. But see the number you say, you must read 654. 650. Some disturbance throughout. And the smallest number just 456. 456. Now, see, ma'am made a mistake. Ma'am also will make mistake, okay? So you don't worry about anyone. You don't worry if you make mistake, I'll correct you. 801. From that, you have to write 8 first. 1, 0. 810. The next one is, you will get 0 first, but don't put 0 before a number. So it is 18. Okay, now 1 minute. Next one. Effie, Effie? Yes. You tell yes, Effie.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, look at the screen and or look into your notebook. 215. Now, don't tell me the answer. I
Ma'am,
want to
should we
see.
write this, ma'am?
Who's this now? Effie.
Ma'am, Effie.
Effie, you are supposed to write it and bring it today. Already this has been sent on
I have
Friday.
already written, ma'am.
Okay, now don't wait. Wait. You have to tell the answer. Wait. Now you have to underline 2. You have to underline 5. Now tell me the biggest number.
5.
5. So how will you put the symbol? See whether it's right for you. Did you put like this? Yes. So you have to read all. Excuse me, parents. You don't confuse them, please. Now let me read. The first number is 215. Afterwards, you must not tell it's confusing. So you have to read 215 is smaller than 512. You have to read. Effie, please read this. 215.
250.
15 is smaller than
215 is smaller than
512.
512.
Very good. Others, please keep quiet, children. I will give you a chance. I told you. I finished calling 10 children from A class. Adrika, are you there? Adrika? No. Adrika? Devan? No. Now I'm coming to 2B. Okay. I'm just taking names from 2B. Abisha. Abisha, turn on your mic, Abisha. I saw you already. Yes, good. You must not. Now, Abisha. Abisha, yes. Just see B. Just see the number 606. And see the number last 606. No need to see. Just see how to do 6. 6. Don't tell answer. 0. 0. It's the same. 6. 6. The first one and the second one is the same. Now, what will you put? See whether it's correct, Abhisha, what I'm doing.
Equal, ma'am.
Very good. You know how to say equal. Very good, Abhisha.
Thank you, ma'am.
2 claps. Okay, good. I'm just putting marks over here. Now others don't talk. Now, next one is for Akshida MP. Akshida MP. Come on. Akshida, are you there? Akshida. No? Akshida MP. No? Don't know what happened. Leave it. Now, Akshaya E. Akshaya E. Akshaya. Very good. Akshaya, don't ask anybody's help. You just listen to me, okay? Now,
Okay,
first one. Now, look here. 8, 8. 1, 8. Now you know which number is small, which number is big. Now I'm going to read. You read with me. 818 is lesser than or greater than? Smaller than or greater than?
Smaller than.
Very good. Very good. Smaller than. See, the mouth is open towards 818. Very good. You read before me. Smaller than. Because to put simple, it's easy. But to read it, it's not very easy. Unless you know. Very good. Let me put mark for you. Now, I didn't get Akshita. Now, next one, I don't know whether the pronunciation is correct. Arthrika. Arthrika. Yes? Are you there? Arthrika Chakrabarti. Arthrika. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Arthrika. Tell me your name once again. Very good. Very good. Very good. So, ma'am also said correctly. Okay. Now, just observe. Don't tell any answer. 9, 7. Now itself you know which one is big. So how will you read this? Read after me. 902.
902
Is it greater than or smaller than?
greater than.
Very good. Very good. Greater than. The crocodile's mouth is open to 902. Very, very good. Now, very good. I'm very happy. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Now, next one. Let me see. Yes. Now, don't tell the answer. You just observe. Circle the greatest number. This question goes to Evelyn Zara. Evelyn Zara. Evelyn, where are you? Evelyn, where are you? Yes. Just observe the numbers. 173, 137, 731, 713. Now, tell me the biggest number, greatest number. 1177. You just take the last two numbers, which is bigger. Read. Yes.
131.
No. Listen, others. My parents don't confuse her. She will tell. Evelyn, just look at the numbers, ma. Somebody is sitting on TV or something. I can hear the 173, 137, 731, 713. You just take the last two numbers, 731, 713. Somebody's TV is on at home. Tell me the answer. Check. 7. You just take 7 and tell me. Is it 731 or 713? Just take the first number. Tell.
721.
It's not 21.
731.
Very good. You take your own time. Don't get scared. Very good. Now see here. Others also check. Yes. Yes. Now it's okay. Don't give trouble now. Lot of noise in between. Now it's okay. Now next person is Getsia. Getsia Joyce. Getsia, are you there? Yes. Good morning, Getsia. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, now Getsia, the second question is for you. The greatest number. If you know the answer, you can tell fast. Otherwise, I'll tell you how to do it. Do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am, I know the answer.
Tell me.
475.
Very good, Getsia. Very good. So no need of my help. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, thanks. You're welcome. Now, next one. Let me see the heading. Yes. Underline the smallest number. That question goes to Israelina. Israelina. Yes. Israelina. Good child. Fast. You answered very, very fast. Now, see the numbers. Don't worry about the greatest. It's the smallest number. You have to underline. You cannot show me how you're underlining, but you tell me. Can you tell me the smallest number from the 4 numbers? A, first row.
399.
Very good. Even ma'am was very slow to find out. I couldn't reach. Before that, you answered. Very good. Israelina, you are getting. Yes. Now, like this, you are very, very attentive. Okay, all will get a chance. Now, Jemima, are you there? Okay, Jemima. Jemima, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
good
ma'am.
morning. Now, the second row of numbers is for you. You can choose the smallest number.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's 200 and
No.
902, ma'am.
No, baby. Just see. Smaller than that is there. You need my help?
No, ma'am.
Yes. You just tell me. 902, 920, 922, 900. Yes. Tell me.
900, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am.
good. Never mind. Never mind. Very good. Very good. You have to think. Don't ask anybody. Yes.
Ma'am,
Now listen, others.
900, ma'am.
Listen, somebody else. Minus mark. You can sit at home. I'm going to. I don't know what to say to you. Now, somebody told me the answer in between. Don't say, child. I'll give you chance. Okay, see now smoothly it's going on. Like one by one, they're answering and they're happy. Now let me see the next one. Oh my God, right in ascending order. You would have done it, okay? You would have done it now. Check. Now this question goes to Juan Sri. Are you there? Juan Sri? No. No. Yes, please help me. Juan Sri, just look at the numbers. Can you tell me the first smallest number?
171.
Now 1 minute. Did you strike it? Now first you have to check all the hundreds place number. Okay, but you know the answer. Let me do that first. Now you told me the answer. Yes. Try because I am very poor in maths. So I have to check all the hundreds place number to get the smallest one. So I got it 1. Then please strike it. Those who did not do can do later. 1 minute, 1 minute. Who's the don't ask? Now I'm talking to Juan Sri. Juan Sri, did you get the first number? Yes. First number. Next question. Next question. Pratika. It's Pratika RV. Pratika RV.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
tell me the second smallest number?
372.
Very good. You must answer like this. I know that all the fingers are not the same. All the children are not the same. But try to tell like that. Very good, Pratika. 372. Now, next question goes to next set of children from A class. Anantit or Antit. Yes. Yes, are you there? It's Archan's brother. Yes, Antit? He's not there. Archan? Yes. Antit, please tell me the next smallest number from the screen.
473.
473. Don't say 473. Very good. Write it out. Right. 473. Now, next question goes to Archant. Archant, tell me the last number in the first row.
Ma'am, 521.
Very good. Answer is correct. Now, let's check the next one. Very good. Now, next person is Ashwant P. Okay, Ashwant. It's about descending order. What do you mean by descending? Big to small. Okay. Now wait. Only Ashwant P. Are you ready? Ashwant?
10, ma'am.
Ashwant, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 1 minute. Let me check all the hundreds place. I said I am very poor in maths. Very bad. Let me check, okay? Because when you tell the answer, I'll feel bad. Now, tell me the biggest number, Ashwant, from here. Oh, only Ashwant. Tell me.
10, ma'am.
Very good. See ya. Strike it out. Good. Only one. Thank you. Cyrus. Cyrus, are you there? Please tell me the second biggest number, Cyrus.
610, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. Very good. Okay, welcome. Now, Cyrus over. Now, Ritik Pranav. Ritik Pranav. Tell me the, see some TV noise is coming. Third biggest number, please. Already 2 you finished. 300. 110. Children, please avoid and. Okay? No, no need to write. I am tired of telling. So, no need to write. Now, 300, 310. Let me know. 310. Okay. Now, the next question goes to John Matthew Thomas. John Matthew Thomas. Are you ready for the question? Now, tell me the fourth number in this row. Already we finished doing 3. Only 1 left. Tell me the smallest. My Jesus. Who's this? Tell me. Who's this child? I'll tell you.
Kylina, ma'am. She's
Kylina, please wait. Kylina, please wait. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now I want John Matthew Thomas. John, where are you?
Ma'am, I will tell ma'am.
I want John. Anybody else tells? I will not ask questions all through the years. Really, I want John Matthew. I'm coming in a line over here. Okay, John Matthew is not there. Kevin Johnson. Kevin, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kevin, tell me the last number. Look at the screen. 210. Very good, Kevin, for helping. Now listen, children, in between you don't come. Okay, now thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now I want, thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, now, now, 1 minute. 1 minute.